All right, so in these questions, we want to simplify using addition and subtraction equations. If I look at this first one over here, I have sine A cos 2A plus cos A sine 2A. I know this is the equation for sine A plus B. It's going to equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And if I use this equation over here, A is basically the same as A and B is the same as 2A. So if I just simplify it, it's going to be sine of A plus 2A, which is simply sine of 3A. So just have to match these with the right side of your addition and subtraction formulas and then simplify. Over here, this is the formula for cos A plus B. Remember, signs are the opposite for the cos equations. Cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So A is just 4x and B is just 3x in this question. So this just simplifies to cos of 4x plus 3x, which is just the cos of 7x. Let's take a look at this third example. Now we have numbers over here. This is my tan equation for subtraction. So tan A minus B equals tan A minus tan B. The signs in the top are the same, and the bottom has the opposite sign. So 1 plus tan A tan B. So this over here, A is just 170, B is just 110. So I just have tan of 170 minus 110, which is tan of 60. Now you can put this in your calculator and figure out the exact value if your calculator allows it, but I'm going to do this without a calculator. I'm going to use my special triangles. So I know that my special triangle is like this, 30, 60, that's 90. Opposite of 30 is the smallest side, which is 1. Opposite of 60 is the second smallest side, which is root 3, and then hypotenuse is 2. So tan of 60 is just opposite over adjacent, which is root 3 divided by 1, which is just square root of 3. And let's take a look at this last example here, which is in terms of radians. This is my cos equation, but it's the cos equation with subtraction because it's the opposite sign of this. So cos A minus B equals cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Remember, these two signs are the opposite only for the cos equations. So this is going to turn into cos of 5 pi over 12 minus pi over 12, which is just cos of, they already have a common denominator, so it's just cos of 4 pi over 12, which can be simplified to cos of, I can divide both of these by 4, so that's pi over 3. And again, I can use my special triangles to solve this. So it's the same special triangle as the last question, except it's in radians now. So this angle is pi over 6, this angle is pi over 3. This is square root of 3, this is 1, and then hypotenuse is 2. So cos of pi over 3 is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's just 1 over 2.